Via Storm Track Live, where we are continuing to monitor not only severe weather off of the deep south, where you see all those flashing boxes. That's where there are severe thunderstorms and tornadoes ongoing across parts of Louisiana and Mississippi. But it's this rain that is moving its way in our direction. That's what's going to provide for a pretty soggy day on Sunday. So we'll get through tonight without any rain. And in fact, most of the overnight is expected to be dry. But as we approach daybreak, you'll notice this rain begins to move from south to north. And by daybreak, most areas are starting to pick up on rain. These shades of yellow and orange are where we see those heavier pockets of downpours, and that's going to continue through most of the day on Sunday. We may get a brief break in the afternoon, but for the most part, we are expecting widespread rain as this low passes just off to our southeast. There is a non-zero chance some of this may try to mix with snow on the back end into Sunday evening, early Monday morning. Not expecting much in the way of accumulation if that does occur, and that's due to the fact that the ground temperatures are just so warm out there and will continue to be as this rain falls in the first part of the event tomorrow. Rain looks to move out. Rain-snow mix looks to move out into the morning hours of Monday, and that will lead to a quiet day, even with some sunshine possible, especially into the afternoon. This is going to be a pretty decent rainfall event. In fact, models indicating an inch of rain may be possible as far north as Grand Rapids, with lesser amounts off to the north and west. And there will likely be a sharp cutoff. But if you're south and east of Grand Rapids, there's a pretty good shot of seeing an inch of rain, if not a little more, by the end of the day tomorrow. We need it. Most of West Michigan is in a moderate drought, with a severe drought in place over towards Saginaw, Bay City, and Midland. So this will put a pretty decent dent. But the ground is already muddy. It's going to continue to be muddy, and it's going to be the case through most of the day tomorrow. Some minor flooding will be possible, but the fact that the ground isn't frozen means that the ground should be able to absorb most of the moisture as it comes down. We are expecting temperatures in the 40s for Sunday. We're there right now, 44 in Grand Rapids, 44 in Kalamazoo, and this is about as warm as we're going to get. We'll hang out in the 40s for a few days, both tomorrow and Monday, but after that, the slide begins, and by this time next weekend, we'll be looking at highs in the low to mid-20s. A first look at the temperature pattern shows what's on the way. It's those lighter shades of blue, white, and pink, which indicate some Arctic air that begins to stream in from the north, and that will likely turn on the lake effect snow machine, at least at times. So that cool down is set to begin right as we turn over into 2025, with several rounds of snow likely, and it looks like the cold air may be with us for several weeks. Your 8-day forecast has, again, quiet weather on Monday, slight chance of a mix on Tuesday. On and off lake effect begins Wednesday, continues through the rest of the week.